Permanent account number card, a PAN card. When do you need a PAN card? If you're living abroad, do you need your PAN card to establish your identity in India? Does it show that you have a connection with India? Is it something to show that you are of Indian origin? No. A PAN card is only and solely for the purposes of taxation. A PAN card will only be used if you have any source of income in India, you have any income which is drawn in India. A person who is living abroad, if has any property in India which he thinks he has to sell and he's going to draw some income out of it for the purposes of tax, to take the money from India to your country of residence, you require a PAN card. If you have fixed deposits in India, you have property, you have rental income, you have some form of income which is drawn in India, that is when you need a PAN card. PAN card is only for taxation authorities. It does not establish that you are a person of Indian origin. It doesn't establish any kind of a domicile or a residence proof in India. If you have inherited a property from your parents and maybe 5 years down the line or 10 years down the line, you might wish to sell it, you will require a PAN card. Without a PAN card, you cannot sell a property in India today. At the time of executing a sale deed, the details of a PAN card are a must. Without incorporating the details of a PAN card, a sale deed cannot be executed. In fact, people who are nowadays investing in properties or buying apartments or flats in India for purposes of their personal use, they at that time itself should get PAN cards for themselves. Maybe you get some rental income from those apartments. If not, maybe sometime later you would want to sell the properties. You will not be able to do that unless you have a PAN card. Also, without a PAN card, you will not be able to repatriate your money from here to your country of residence. Now, let's say if somebody had inherited a property from his father 20 years ago. He now wishes to sell the property. He's entered into an agreement to sell. He's about to enter into a sale deed. When you're about to execute a sale deed, the first thing they will ask you is your copies of passport to show your identification. Secondly will be your PAN card. Once a sale deed is done, you have the funds in your account. You're required to take the funds from here to your country. Again, without the stamping of the taxation authorities, there is no chance that the bank will allow you to transfer the money from this bank in India to your bank abroad. Henceforth, any person who has property in India, is drawing rental income out of India, might inherit property in India, or wishes to buy a property in India, must have a PAN card.